Great, guys. So now we're gonna see how we're gonna take orders from a cashier waiter's perspective. We're gonna open the account. We're gonna go and click on take orders. Okay, and you can also hide the sidebar. After you have gone to take orders. And here you're gonna see all the categories. We're gonna go to burgers. Here's the one we have already created. We're gonna select it. We're gonna click order. And here you're gonna see all the options that you have added to your dish, such as a type of dressing. We're gonna select ranch, which type of bread. We're gonna select Parmesan, type of cheese, mozzarella, and you're gonna see the price, how many dishes you would like. Let's select 2. And anything that you would like to specify to the chef. In this case, I don't like onions, so we have added the dish and a drink. Here we're going to see the name of the dish and all the options, the choices that you made. A note specifying without onions, the price, the quantity of the dish, the total. And the total price right here. Total price of the dish and the beverage. So now we will select. You can also edit all of these options. We will also have a tutorial for that. So right now, let me just quickly explain to you. You can select either phone call, pickup, when they call to order, and they go pick up the order. The phone call and they order something and will be delivered to the customer. To go, which is the person that arrives at the restaurant and wants to take out. So right now we will select table 1. We have an option to send the receipt to the customer through email. If the customer doesn't want that and wants a ticket, then we're just going to click I don't want receipt. Phone number is optional. And also a note according to the order. So now we have to choose a payment method, either a card or cash. Okay, so in case that you don't have a card reader, just know that by entering all the information of the card, the money goes instantly to the account which is linked to. We will also have a tutorial for this. So below, we're going to see order and pay later, which is the option for full service when the customer is at the restaurant and he will order and obviously eat and pay when he is done. And in this case, we're going to select cash. Okay, so the customer will pay with a $50 bill. And you can see that the change appears on the screen. And you're going to select pay and order. You're going to enter your password, pay and order. And there you have a new order right here. And this will go to kitchen display and the POS system. And as easy as that, guys. Keep watching our tutorials and subscribe to our channel.